welcome to video number 5, the last one for this week. So I hope your writing went really well yesterday. I am sure you have done a super job with it, just like you normally do. And today we will be taking it to the next stage of publishing it as our final travel brochure. So first we will need to edit, and for this it's a good idea to refer back to our writing checklist for travel brochures, which I will show you now. So a good travel brochure will have lots of exciting and emotive language, flattering descriptions, rhetorical questions, with using the personal pronouns you and we, informal language, and be written in the present tense. Now when we come to publish, we'll also be thinking about a clear presentation, putting it into sections with some headings and subheadings, and the use of beautiful images. So now, while you were busy writing yours yesterday, I wrote my section on the Pantheon, and we are going to have a look at editing it now. I have got my black editing pen, and I'm going to remember that list in my head. Okay, so I have my Pantheon paragraph here. We're just going to read it through from the beginning and look where we need to edit. So when visiting Rome, okay, so we need to add a capital letter into Rome. You must include a trip to the Pantheon. Well known, okay, so I'm missing full stop here, which means we need a capital letter there. Right, so well known for its architecture, its colossal columns, oh I spelled colossal wrong, must use my word mat. It's 1 L, 2 S's, colossal columns and domed roof will leave a lasting impression. Okay, I'll put a full stop in there because I've missed that. I think I could do with an adjective in front of architecture. Nice to describe. I think maybe I haven't used the word spectacular yet. Spectacular. So, this former Roman temple, I guess that temple wrong, it's L-E. I could have used the dictionary to check that too. It's a marvel both inside and out. Transformed into a church by Pope Boniface IV. Okay, so it's a name, so we need capital letters for the name. In the beginning of the 7th century, the Pantheon welcomes tourists from all over. Best of all, entry is free. Okay, I think maybe I finished with an exclamation mark just to emphasise the fact that it's free. Okay, so I've used my black pen and I've edited, and you will need to do the same for yours. Okay. Once you finish editing, you are ready to publish, and you can choose how you'd like your leaflet to look or your travel brochure to look. Now, you could decide to have one as an A4 sheet of paper, and you can see here that I have got a title here, so the heading of my page. I've got my introduction here, and I have included a map of Rome and Italy here so that you can use that learning from Monday. I've chosen to pick out some of the places that were there in the Roman Empire, but you could also include some more modern towns too. Okay, so I've given myself a subheading here of what to see. So this is a heading for this section here, and then I've broken it down into my key attractions. So a Colosseum with a picture. Your picture will be far better than mine. And you'll notice that I am including captions to go with my picture so that I'm explaining what the picture is. And here it's waiting for my Pantheon because also I've only just edited it and I can draw my picture. I will be using 2 sides for mine, and remember I said yesterday about having that extra sentence of other places of interest, and I can include those in here. And my concluding paragraph is here. Now I've still got a bit of room here where I could put some other bits that interest me. Some of you might like to put in maybe some hotels they could stay in, or maybe something to do with the weather that they might get out there. So that's how you could do it on a flat piece of A4. Some of you might like to fold it like the one in the examples. So I've got one here which folds into 3, the trifold. So I have my front cover here, and as you see it's still needing all this beautiful colours put on. And then you open it up and you have the introduction. And again it needs some pictures in here still. And then in here, you can see I've got my Colosseum page, and I've got a section for each of the key attractions that I'm choosing. And again, using the captions at the bottom of my pictures. And then on the very back, I have included my map of where Rome is. And again, with a caption, I've obviously, you see here, put in some of the mountain ranges that interest people. And like I said here, one of my suggestions, places to stay, I started filling that in here. So it's a little bit of room for your own creativity. You might like just to do a simple fold your page in half. That's up to you. These are 3 different ways that you may choose to do your travel brochure, using your lovely handwriting with a clear presentation, with clear sections, with subheadings, with captions, some lovely beautiful images, and all that wonderful writing that you will have edited first. Once you have finished, don't forget to send us a copy of it, either take a photo or scan it in and send it to the Year 3 email. We cannot wait to read them. I wonder who is going to make us want to visit Rome in the future when we can. Good luck.